replacing my broken tailgate, so we need to take out this two bolts, two 10mm bolts for the stopper, and then I already disconnected to the wires at the back, so we're gonna take out this loom over here, and then we're gonna take out this. Oh, these are 13mm bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. And the reason is my locks are bad. That one is also bad. Look how this one is dented pretty bad. Taking out the wiring using the old one, and we'll see how different it is. Maybe I think it's the same because this is a 2007, so there should be no major difference in the wire. Inside. We got everything buttoned up. The boot. Yep. Take the pictures so to go by the seal and the wiring. Got the cover there. So things are working now. My locks are pretty bad on that one because when I open this one, the lift gate wouldn't actually open automatically. So now I close it, and this one I just have to like close it like just firm, and I don't have to bang it anymore like really hard. Now if I do this, it will automatically open the door. So this door is working properly. So I have to return the cover, final cover. So I have all the tabs there. Just align them and put the remains of the old wiring. Oh, I mean that's the wiring from the replacement door. I need to use the original one so that I won't have problems.